Alright guys, so this might possibly be the last time I ever drive this car. Let's enjoy the last night ride, possibly. I decided why not document and record it, not only for you guys, but mostly for myself. I know I'm being a car enthusiast and building a car. You tend to, you know, grow with it, and then obviously when it's time to get rid of it, if you get rid of it, it's kind of sad, like low key. So yeah, I'll probably end up making a completely different video on why I got rid of it. There's nothing bad at all. Like I don't have to get rid of it. I just chose to get rid of it. But yeah, if everything falls through tomorrow, this might be the last night drive. So I'm actually just gonna go pick up food right now. So I decided why not throw the GoPro on and film it. I don't really want to talk too much about why this might be my last drive, because I want to make a completely different video for that. I'm definitely gonna miss that. Look both ways before you cross the street. Look at that guy flying by. Gotta love it. Car currently has 37,000 miles, well, about to be 38 soon. Bought it brand new, not too bad for being about to be 4 years old. Tire spun right there. Well, I'm arriving to my destination.